What is up guys, this is your boy Vishu from Savage Camp, and in this video we are going to move forward to the intermediate stage of Python programming. We have over 50 videos combined of examples and the basics of Python programming. So before you watch this video, make sure you have watched those videos. Those are all less than 10 minutes. There would be one or videos more than 10 minutes. But everything is between 5 to 8 minutes, and it is very important that you understand those things before you move forward, because that is going to lay the foundation for what we are going to do now. We have done a lot of scripting, and now it is time to do more organized object-oriented programming, and we will be using classes and functions, and that is why this video is going to cover the basics of functions. The first one is the difference between arguments and parameters. So an argument is nothing but a value that is passed to a function or a method when we try to call it. In this scenario, this is going to be the arguments that we pass to the program. So arguments are the values that you give to a function to execute, and add numbers has two parameters that it is taking. So when you define a function, whatever you put in those brackets are called parameters. A function has a defined set of parameters, and when we call that function, the values that we pass are called arguments. So in the future videos, I will be using parameters and arguments, and that is why I need you to remember these definitions. A parameter is what is defined in the function, and argument is what is passed to the function when we try to call it. So that is it for this video guys. I wanted to make this clear before we move forward, because I will be using these terms a lot when we try to do more object-oriented programming, and I don't want you to get confused about what I am talking about. So that's it guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.